We're gonna make sapin sapin. 2 cups glutinous rice flour, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1 condensed milk, 1 can coconut milk, desiccated coconut or latik, and then we have the food color. Mix the flour and the sugar. Then we mix the coconut milk. So after it's free of lumps, we're gonna add the condensed milk. So after mixing, we're gonna divide it into 3. So for the first color, I'm using the ube extract, 1/2 teaspoon. Also, you mix well. So for the second color, we have the pandan. I think it's the same thing. This brand, you don't need a food color. This one has extract already. Has also the same food color. So this is green pandan extract. So 1/2 teaspoon. And then just, okay, for the last one, just plain white, or you can also use yellow if you want, but I'll just do plain white. Then grease the pan. You can use canola oil or butter. Now we're ready, so we're gonna use the ube first. Pour it evenly on the pan. Okay, so prepare the steamer. Put the pan in the steamer and then cover it. I put a cheesecloth or a cloth like a t-shirt. Okay, time to check after 15 minutes. So when it's cooked, you put the second layer, which is the plain white with vanilla extract. After we put the second layer, cover it again. After 20 minutes, okay, let's see if it's cooked. Put a stick. Ooh, hot. Okay, it's dry. It's dry now. So it's ready. So we're gonna put the third layer. Put it evenly. The third layer, okay, it's on. Okay, and cook for 15 or 20 or 25 minutes to cook the top layer. So we'll see. Dry. So this time we're gonna cook the desiccated coconut. So warm the pan, medium heat, and then we'll use 1 cup of flake coconut and cook until medium brown. Okay, golden brown. It's cooked. Okay, this is for the toppings, the desiccated coconut. Okay, done. Now we're gonna cook the latik. Okay, 1 coconut milk in low heat. These are latik after 30 minutes. It takes so long. So our latik is done. It's brown. And this will be our toppings. You can either use either one or both. So I prefer both. There you go. Okay, so we'll put the toppings on top. And that's our sapin sapin.